Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to recover Telegram account without email or phone number. So first, I want you to download these applications. First we have is Virtual SIM. Second, we have Winscribe. And of course, we have here Telegram. So once you have installed or downloaded these applications, we can now proceed with our tutorial. So first, you have to create an account in Winscribe, and to create an account, they just need your username, your email address, and password, and email is optional. Then once done, you can select any of the free country here. For example, in US East, I can pick or I can select Chicago since this one is for free. And you can see if you're connected to this VPN if this one here turns green. So as you can see, I am now connected to Chicago. And then the next thing to do here is to open this virtual SIM. To create, they just need your email address and you just have to allow this application to have access to your contacts. As easy as that. And then if you go here, you have options to get your phone numbers, use your phone number, or use your own number if you want. So let's just say you want to get your phone number because you don't want to use your phone number or own number. So you just have to tap that one. Actually, you can buy a number or you can search for any sites that offer temporary US phone numbers and you can save it right here. Now, once you have your phone with you, you can now exit virtual SIM and proceed to your Telegram. So in order to recover Telegram account without your own phone number or email address, okay, so you just have to copy the numbers that you generate or get from virtual SIM. Okay, so go to Telegram, select that country. For example, you purchase a number from United States, and all you have to do is just simply paste or type that number here. So if you forgot, you can go back to virtual SIM. Okay, copy that phone number that you purchased using virtual SIM, and then paste it right here. And then after that, click this arrow icon and they will ask, click yes, and they will send that verification code to your phone. And that's it. That's how easy it is to recover a Telegram account without using your own email address or phone number. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.